Hi, I'm Deepali, chasing my dreams in Ireland. And before you decide to study abroad, I need to tell you something honestly. It's not as easy or glamorous as it looks on Instagram, but at the same time, it might be the best decision you'll ever make. So, when I was planning to move abroad, I had so many expectations. I thought I would get a job quickly, life would be sorted, everything would feel exciting all at the time. But when I actually came here, reality was very different. And I wish someone had told me all this earlier. So let me start with the reality. The first thing, it can feel lonely. You are in a completely new country, away from family, and everything feels unfamiliar. Second, the finances. Living abroad is expensive. Rent, food, transport, everything adds up quickly. I remember the first time I calculated my monthly expenses, I was honestly shocked. And third, jobs. Getting your first part time job is not easy. You might apply to 50, even 100, or maybe 200 places before hearing back. I have been through that phase and it can be frustrating. There were moments where I questioned my decision too. But here is the thing, despite all this, I wouldn't go back and change my decision because study abroad changes you in the ways you don't expect. You become independent, you learn how to manage everything on your own, grow professionally, you understand the global work culture, communication, and real world skills. And most importantly, your mindset changes. You start thinking bigger, seeing more opportunities, and believing in yourself more. Even small things like cooking your own meals, managing your time, or handling challenges all by yourself alone, they build confidence slowly. And one day, you realize you are not the same person who left your own country. So, is studying abroad worth it? Yes, if you are ready for the challenges. No, if you are expecting comfort and an easygoing life. It's not just a decision, it's a journey that will test you, but at the same time, it will also shape you. And if you are someone who is still planning, especially if you feel late or confused, don't worry. In this series, I'm going to guide you step by step how to choose your right country, how to pick the right college, and how to actually make this journey smoother. So make sure you follow along because the next video might help you to make one of the biggest decisions of your life. I'm Dipali, chasing my dreams in Ireland. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.